How this happens is we will first have to create, you might be already having your existing Xero account. The only thing you have to do after that is go sign up on Marmin, go to the settings area. In the settings area, you want to go to the organization settings. Once you have built your company profile in the system, you simply go here and click on connect to Xero. Okay. So you select which business profile and which, this is just to get the gather which connection you are going to establish, which company you are going to link with your Xero account. You click on here, there is a button which will be connect to Xero. Once you're going to connect, that will be same authentication what you use for Xero, and then you are good to go. Once there is a successful connection established, you will see Marmin to be in the app connections. Okay. So here you see that Marmin is a connected ZATCA E-Invoice app. How does this happen now going forward is once this connection is established, we simply run a transaction. For example, I'll show you one example here that there is a customer which is created and this customer is already existing in Marmin and Xero. Okay. So this is the best company we have. I'll go and create an invoice on this system now on Xero side. New invoice, best company, due date, taxes, and once the transaction is done, it will automatically come in. But if you have some apprehensions, you can go to the log area and log area will show you what it is. What are the transactions which are running? This is how we show successfully a debit note is created, customer is updated. We record all that log. We'll go on this side, invoices. It will take some time to be reflecting on the system. Now you see this. On the left side, we have invoice 007. On the right side, we have invoice 007 for the same company. 10,000 plus 1,500. Then we have the mechanism of automating this and sending it to your customer automatically. If you don't want to activate that feature, you can just download the invoice and send it across to your customers. We have provided several templates. I'll give you one of those. This is one of the template. There are several, 2 or 3 more templates. This incorporates everything related to requirement by the tax regulation, addresses, names, the labels in Arabic, translation, bank details, currency translation, everything. One thing which we have not tried to automate is the description of the item which you are going to add it into the invoice. The reason being, commercially available, publicly available translations are not so accurate. And it depends on your customers' focus on the correctness of text in Arabic. So if software fails and you are forced by the customer to revise the invoice, then it becomes an additional task to you. In the new e-invoicing regime, you cannot go and edit an invoice. For the invoice which is created, you create a credit note. After that, you go and create a new invoice with the correction. So every time you're correcting an invoice, you have to actually nullify the VAT liability applicable by creating a credit note. So this is, I have shown you one scenario. Our integration works for customer update, invoice, and credit note. These are the specific 4 areas for e-invoicing.